Follow these steps to fix FaceTime not working on your iPhone. Let's get started. Ensure FaceTime is enabled. For that, launch your settings. Now scroll down. Navigate to the option Apps. From the list of the apps, find FaceTime. Open it. Make sure you have enabled for the option of FaceTime. Next, verify contact information. Ensure your phone number and email address are correctly listed under You can be reached by FaceTime ad and caller ID. Check date and time settings. For that, head back, go to the main page of settings, click on the option General. Now scroll down, navigate to the option Date and Time. You can enable for the option of Set automatically. Next up, restart FaceTime. For that, head back, navigate to the option Settings, head over to the option FaceTime. Now disable for the option of FaceTime, wait for a few minutes and then toggle it on. Likewise, update iOS. For that, head back, go to the main page of settings, navigate to the option General, click on the option Software Update. If you find any updates over here, just update your iOS to its latest version. Next, check network connection. Confirm that your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network. Disable screen time restrictions. If screen time is enabled, go to Settings, Screen Time, Content and Privacy Restrictions, Allowed Apps and Features, and ensure FaceTime and camera are allowed. Next thing you want to do is sign out and back into your Apple ID. For that, launch your settings. At the very top, you're going to find your Apple ID. Click on that. Now scroll down, click on Sign Out. Then provide your credentials and sign in back. Likewise, check for app restrictions. Ensure FaceTime is not restricted or offloaded due to inactivity. To check that, navigate to the option General, click on iPhone Storage. From the list of the apps, find FaceTime. Check if FaceTime has been offloaded. If the issue persists, reach out to Apple support for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve common FaceTime issues on your iPhone. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.